So that's how you select. Let's begin. Aircraft too low. I need to lift off a bit. Okay guys, now let's the test begin. Let's see what happens. Amazing. Activetrack 1.0 still doing its job. As you can see that we are trying to get towards the bushes and everything, showing me obstacle avoidance, and let's see it can do it or not. It's actually going through the bushes. Whoa, that's amazing.
So far so good. It actually went around those bushes and still kept track of me. So let's keep on going.
Literally, watch this. Wow, it's still tracking, still doing its thing, and we'll try to run now. Oh, whoa! That was super close. You saw that. Wow.
Wow. So
Wow.
it actually avoided that tree.
Pretty impressive, huh?
Pretty impressive.
Just watch your back.
Let's keep on going.
Okay, so we'll speed up the footage again, just not to waste your time.
See how it does with this tree.
Yo, it's too close. Look at the obstacle avoidance. It's not coming because it's too shading. The aircraft is too low. Come back.
Sorry guys, it's not coming because the tree's on the way. So it actually stopped. That's good as well. Let's see how it avoids this obstacle right here.
So it actually followed it to the shade. Okay, so far we found this to be amazingly good in performance and avoiding obstacle. Whoa! 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 So we'll speed up the footage a bit. Okay, so pretty much here everything you will see that the Mavic Air not performing well, or I think it actually performed well. It's just that that's where, if you guys are a proud owner of Mavic Pro 2, will work. Watch how it came close to the tree. And if you're having a Mavic Pro 2 or a Mavic 2 or a Mavic 2 Zoom, your drone will actually go around the obstacle. But Mavic Air with trees, that's as far as it can get. But I still think it did an amazing job going around that small edge of the tree. Amazing job. I mean, like, if you want to see or have a drone for like $7.99, this drone is amazing for $7.99. Best bang for the buck. And there you go, guys, an honest opinion and a real-time test of the Mavic Air. Everything was on obstacle avoidance. It was not under manual control.